Okay, imagine you've created your first digital product. Your system is ready, everything's set up. And then you sit there staring at the screen and asking yourself, but how do the right people actually find my offer? Most people would tell you, start posting every day on Instagram or TikTok. But here's the truth, that's not what I would do. Instagram or TikTok are not made for beginners. These platforms are made for quick scrolling, not for search. And what you really need is a traffic system that works for you even when you're not online. Step 1. Why social media feels like a hamster wheel. Let's be real. We've all been told, just post daily. Only those who post daily will grow. But the reality is, on Instagram or TikTok or even Facebook, a post lives maybe 24 to 48 hours. You stop posting, you disappear. For us entrepreneurs, coaches or therapists who want a life outside the business, that's not sustainable. Don't get me wrong. Instagram and TikTok have their place. They're great for storytelling, connection and community building once people know you. But as a reliable traffic source that brings you consistent new clients, they're not dependable and they are working too slow. Step 2. Evergreen traffic. The game changer. Evergreen means created once and it keeps bringing in new leads weeks, months or even years later. The platforms built for this are search-based. For example, YouTube. People are actively searching for a solution. By the way, do you like this video? Then hit the subscribe button and comment below. I'm very happy to help you here on this platform. The next platform would be Pinterest. People look for ideas, templates and inspiration. They are actively searching for things to buy. Or number 3, blogs or Google. People search for guides, tutorials and problem-solving content. The difference? Social media lives in the moment. Search platforms live off the lasting value of your content and they grow within years. A YouTube video can bring traffic 2 years later. A good blog post can rank on Google for years. A Pinterest pin can be saved and shared over 1,000 times. That's the power of evergreen content. Step 3. What platform fits you? Ask yourself, do you like talking and explaining to people? Then you're definitely right here on YouTube. Are you visual or creative? You don't really want to show yourself? Then Pinterest might be right for you. Do you enjoy writing and have patience? Then blogging and Google might be right for you. The key? Don't do everything at once. Pick one platform and stick with it. That's far more effective and spreading yourself too thin. Step 4. My story. I actually started with YouTube videos 13 years ago. I created blog posts with my videos in it. I started with search optimized content and I became visible and leads came in automatically without me posting daily. The one video a week strategy. Today my system is simple. I publish one in-depth YouTube video per week. That video is also repurposed in my blog. Everything is optimized for search engine, so people keep finding me long term. Each piece of content solves a specific problem that my target group has. And at the end, I guide viewers to the next step, a clear call to action. Because my content is evergreen, I'm still discovered months or even years later. By the way, this channel is brand new, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to build your own freedom business without being trapped daily in social media. Get my book, The Mini Course Method, how you can build a 5 to 6 figure online business with products under $30. You will learn the complete sales funnel system and how to create automated income streams. Remember, traffic brings attention, but trust brings sales, and that comes through the first mini courses. If you want a business that truly gives you freedom, go the evergreen way. And now, go watch my next video where I show you another cool online business strategy and how to grow online step by step. I see you there.